Alright everyone, today we're gonna fly the HELIWAY 903H. Now this is the one without the camera. I did an unboxing on this thing in a little indoor flight like months ago, but I just never got a chance to get out here yet and fly it. It's got dust on it, sitting around on the shelf. But I figured I could get out here this morning before the sun started baking me. I'd get out here and check it out. So yeah, like I said, I don't have the camera model. I have the non-camera model, so we'll see how that rolls. That's how you bind to recalibrate the gyros, down and in like that. All right, let's go. Yeah, I remember when I did the indoor flight on this, how quiet it was. Okay. You want to push this dial all the way to the top for the higher speed, for the pitch. Pulling it down slows it down. There's the first rate right there. See how slow that is? Okay. And then I'll put it all the way up, the dial all the way up, and it changes it dramatically. See that? Okay, so we see how that rolls. There's the punch out speed. Not bad. It's a toy, right? This is kind of like a Mambo type deal, you know. You know, like a Mambo clone or knockoff. It's basically the same thing, but it's ultra quiet, this thing. I mean ultra quiet. Don't want to get it too far away because it's hard for you to see the damn video. If I get too far away, then you can't see it, right? It's a little twitchy in the higher, in the third rate, you know. You see how fast the funnels are. And the controller's a little twitchy when it's in that far. Or in the high rate, I mean. Now let's see if the headless mode will work. Well, if it starts beeping, I'm turning it off. Yeah, it's working. Headless mode, that confuses me. I get confused by it. Let me turn that off, okay? It works, that's all we need to know. And there's also a button here for the lights too. You can turn the lights off if you want to save a little bit of battery. And then it has a photo and video button on here, but that's not applicable here now because of course I don't have the camera. All right, let's try the super, as it's called, super flip mode. This isn't just regular flips. These are super flips. Okay. Those are what you call super flips. And they're pretty damn tight. And it goes in all directions. I did all 4 directions right there. So super flipping is good. And that's about it on the features. see if I can trim it a little. There's no wind at all. Zero. Zero wind. Flies good though, man. No complaining about the handling. Handles like a dream. I'm just trying to run the battery down, guys. That's all I'm trying to do. Flies great, man. Can't ask for much more than that. I don't think I ran the whole battery down when I did the indoor flight. I thought I saw a light flash in there. Oh, I did. It's landing. Okay. Well, so it flashes some lights when you, that gives you the low battery warning. But it's hard to see them because the thing is not that big. You know what I mean? So if it's far away from you, you're going to have a hard time seeing those lights flashing. Believe me, it's just going to fall. You know, land. Well, at least it lands nice. It don't just do that old, you know, fall out of the sky deal and kill the motors. At least it knows to land. So it's smart enough to know that. Unlike some of these other dumb shit ones that just cut the motors right if you're 100 feet up. Oh, okay, low battery, cut the motors, see you later. Okay, at least it did that. All right, I'll put the flight time in, and yeah, man, I can't recommend this enough. That thing flew great. Motors aren't even warm. Just a very, very little bit, very little. But yeah, it flew great, man. I'm real happy with it. All right, guys, have a nice day.